your heart has ever known. Yes, anyone who can read this might be fascinated too. Life is indeed divided into various phases, including the beauties and wonders of it. I may not be physically attractive, nor a powerful person with superb characteristics and charisma as every inspirational speaker possesses. Rather, I am a simple person who wants to share something unforgettable. 20 years ago, I became part in this world. I had a life surrounded by trials and sufferings. Like an ordinary child, I dreamed of the riches the world can offer, so that my grandmother won't suffer from difficulty anymore. I was a product of a broken family. Lumaki ako at ang aking mga kapatid sa aming lola. Bata po ako noon nung mapiit sa bilangguan ang aking ama sa di malamang kadahilanan. At upang